Okay, cool. So I'm gonna keep this one very short, ideally below five minutes. So because I have to pay for this video screen recording platform that I use, so I haven't paid for it. So this is limited to 5 minutes. Anyway, let's start. I haven't given the progress upgrade in a very long time. Truth is, I've been very caught up with the whole week. I've just been focusing on just trying to finish this. I made good progress. So let me just start from the beginning and show you pretty much what I was able to do. So we're just gonna go to 212. That's the module that I've been using to test. Right. So one of the things that I did is that to allow a user that's not currently logged in, or a user that doesn't even have an account, to do as many things as possible on the platform without them having to sign in or to create an account. So you'd see that currently I'm not signed in. So as a user that's not signed in, I can then pretty much see how many. So you remember, we already know how this works. It breaks down, so this is a question paper that you can actually download, right? But then, because Study Center, the design behind Study Center is to try to allow discussions to be had at the very basic unit, at the smallest unit as possible, right? So we've spoke about that multiple times. So I went ahead and I implemented ask a question. Well, I'm not logged in now, so you won't see that. But let's just proceed. We have like 3 minutes left. Cool. So we can see that this one has one question asked. So I'm going to go ahead and view that. All right. So this is the flow. Right. So I have to do this. You see, this styling is still playing around. So I have to fix this, but let me just refresh this, and then you'll see it. Probably finish this tomorrow. Right. So we can see that for past paper, which is titled Exam Opportunity 3, question number 1.1.a. So obviously this past paper has surely I should include another option to download here. That would be really cool to bring that download button also here. All right, we'll do that so that you can even still download from this page. Cool. So pretty much Exam Opportunity 3, question number 1.1a. So 3 questions have been asked. A question has been asked, which is this one, test, title test, and then this question has 3 answers contributed, right? And then this question was asked by this user, right? This is just test data, but I want to show you the flow so far, right? Alright, so it's just fetching the question, fetching answers. Cool. So this is then the question page, right? I think this is one of the pages that it's gonna hopefully get too much attention, right? So this is the question here. As you can see, the title was test, and then this is just the body, and then as you can see, this question has 2 images attached to it. I'm not happy with this editor as it is, but we'll talk about that later. So 2 questions have been assigned to this. Cool beans. And then you can see a couple of things there. You can upvote, downvote. I'll break them down later on. Just want to show you what was done this week. Then we can see that the 3 answers that have been provided, right? So this is the first answer. Example again, it was just testing. This answer has 3 images, as we can see there. We left it like 58 minutes. Again, you can upvote and downvote. It was answered 2 days ago by this user. Second answer. Again, so you'll see, Mona, I was just testing. I wanted to test. So in a what you see is what you get editor, what you pretty much call a markup editor, you gotta be able to add code. And also, given that this is going to be initially released to computer science, informatics, multimedia students, they got to be able to post code, add code, and have it formatted. So I was just testing that here, and that's pretty nice. So now, next thing that I'm going to have, this page is going to have, is the answer form here. That's the one that's not showing. But essentially, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to show with this update. Yeah. Sure.